Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. The judgment of the High Court confirming the conviction and sentence for the offences under Section 302 read with Section 34 Indian Penal Code is in challenge in this appeal. Stop. Originally, there were 3 accused persons, namely Gurdial Puranchand, the present appellant, and Rajo Devi. Stop. However, accused number 3, Rajo Devi, was acquitted by the High Court, and accused number 1 has not chosen to file an appeal. Stop. It is only accused number 2 who is in appeal before us. Para. Gurdial got married to one Santosh on 8 December 1997. Stop. According to the prosecution, she was harassed for dowry just after 1 week of the marriage and was set to fire on the fateful day, that is on 15 December 1997, by as many as 3 accused persons, they being Gurdial, her husband, Puranchand, her elder brother-in-law, and Rajo Devi, the paternal aunt of accused number 1, Gurdial. Stop. The incident took place at about 4 a.m. in the morning. Stop. According to the prosecution, accused number 1 and accused number 2 sprinkled kerosene oil, and in this conspiracy even Rajo Devi was a party. Stop. All this was done on account of the less dowry received in the marriage which had taken place hardly a week earlier to the incident. Para. Santosh was taken to the General Hospital, Sector 13, Chandigarh by Pawan Kumar, PW4, and ultimately she breathed her last in the evening on the same day. Stop. It was found that she had suffered 90% of burns, but before that her dying declaration was got recorded by PW13. Stop. According to the prosecution, before recording this dying declaration, an opinion was taken about her fitness by PW14. Stop. The said dying declaration is Exhibit PF3 and the medical certificate is Exhibit PF5. Stop. 14 witnesses were examined at the trial, including her relations, investigating team, magistrate, and the doctor. Stop. The trial court convicted all the 3 accused persons. Stop. However, the High Court acquitted Rajo Devi, giving her the benefit of doubt, and that is how accused number 2, Puranchand, has come up before us challenging his conviction. Stop. The defense was that of denial and it was stated to be an accident. Stop. It was also stated by the present appellant that he was staying separate from his brother Gurdial and had unnecessarily been implicated. Stop. 3 defense witnesses were also examined. Stop. The defense did not prevail, and that is how accused number 2 is before us. Para. The main thrust of the argument of the learned counsel was against the dying declaration. Stop. It was claimed that the dying declaration was tutored one. Stop. Learned counsel earnestly argued that there were some intrinsic defects in the dying declaration which militated against its credibility. Stop. It was pointed out that firstly, the name of Puranchand, the present appellant, was not to be found in the dying declaration, and there was a mere reference to the elder brother of the husband. Stop. It was suggested by the learned counsel that there was one more brother of accused number 1, Gurdyal, and it was not certain as to whether the deceased referred to accused number 2, Puranchand. Stop. It was then pointed out that Santosh, the deceased, had suffered 90% of burns, and therefore it was not possible that she would be in her senses while making the dying declaration. Stop. Lastly, it was pointed out that there was no kerosene oil residues found on the clothes which were seized. Stop.